Woohoo! FabFitFun! Yes! Springtime!
Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are finally doing the spring FabFitFun box. So it is a little bit late this month because of everything that's going on in the world right now. So it is what it is. Where they are. Here is my scissors. So I'm very excited to open up this box. I just did my BoxyCharm unboxing, the Boxylux box, and I was really disappointed with it. So I'm really hoping that this month's box, well, this season's box for FabFitFun is better than the Boxylux we got, because that box kind of sucked and I was just not that impressed with it. So this is what the packaging looks like. I think this month's box is super cute. I love how spring it is. When you open up the box, you get the standard magazine and it's packaged so beautifully. That's another thing that I was really disappointed with BoxyCharm, was it wasn't packed well at all. They didn't even use the foam that they usually use. It was just thrown together with this inside, and there wasn't even like anything really to help protect anything, and one of my items actually came damaged. So that was the curler. The curler has scratches all over the barrel, so I'm really disappointed with BoxyCharm this month. So I'm really excited for FabFitFun, and they couldn't have sent us a HelloFresh meal plan at a better time than this time right now. We are definitely staying inside and not wanting to go outside, so we may actually use this for the first time. So this is 9 free meals using this code, and I'm actually really excited, so just threw it on the ground. So hopefully my boyfriend and I will give that a try. We'll see. So they also sent us a Crooked Teeth Bite Me, straighten and brighten your smile at home 6 times faster, and it's just kind of like a coupon code, I guess, for FabFitFun members, so that's really cool. So they gave us the magazine that has all of the prices on it, and I'm really excited to see what we got this month. So let's open it up to where the prices of everything are, and I am so excited. I have no idea what's coming in this box, and I don't remember what I chose because I think we can choose 3 items, and I'm just really excited. So let's make sure we're in focus. Apparently we are. All right, so to get into, oh my god, it is it is packaged so beautifully, and I am so excited. I was literally just talking to one of my friends about one of the items that is in this box, about how she should pick it up because it's really great, and I'm really excited. So this is what the box looks like. I am so excited. So far I'm already way more excited for this box than I was BoxyCharm. So the first item that I'm going to talk about is actually the item that I was talking to my friend about like literally like 2 hours ago. I was telling her that she needs to pick up this brand. So this is the AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-In Conditioner. So I have this already, and I love this conditioner. This conditioner is so amazing. I got a big bottle of it like 3 years ago, and I still have conditioner in it. Like, it's awesome. This is a cruelty-free brand. It is so awesome. It smells so good. It really helped my hair when my hair was really damaged and needed to be brought back to life. This stuff was really amazing, and I'm so excited that I got sent it in my FabFitFun box this month. That is beyond crazy, and I am so excited. So this is the AG Hair Fast Food Leave-In Conditioner. So dealing with frizzy or dry hair, uses leave-on conditioner for moisturizing and helps smooth split ends, and it retails for $24. So that is really amazing, and I'm already so excited that we got this in this month's box. That is so cool. So the next thing that I see is Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. So a multitasking beauty sleep saver for better nights and brighter mornings. So this is a lotion that when used nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. So this is a body cream, I guess. So use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin, and it retails for $40. So I don't have my phone on me, so I will have to total it up at the end and just let you guys know how much it is. So this retails for $40, and that is really cool. You get 100 milliliters, and that is 3.3 fluid ounces. Sorry, on this one, the fast food, you get 178 milliliters, which is 6 fluid ounces, and this one you get 3.3 fluid ounces. So this is a multitasking beauty sleep saver for better nights and better mornings. So it's a lotion. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. Massage nightly into hands and body and bathe in and breathe in deeply. So it is a moisturizer for your body, and that is really cool. It's just a standard packaging, and I'm excited to try it out. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like mint. It kind of smells like essential oils. Like it smells like lavender. That's what it smells like. That's the scent that I'm getting. It's definitely a really, really, really essential oil scent though. So if you're not a big fan of essential oils, then you might not like this, but it definitely smells like lavender to me, and it smells really, really nice. So that's really cool. So the next thing that I see is the thermal spring water. So this is, what is this? Soothing, anti-irritating, hyperallergenic. So this is spritz your face with hydrating spring water to calm, smooth, and soften the skin, and it retails for $14. So it's just like a face mist, I guess. A lot of people really like doing that with like setting spray and stuff. I always see like people like Jeffree Star, for example, always dousing his face in it, and like it's really funny. But I don't really ever do that, so I'm interested to try it. So this is the thermal spring water, so let's give it a try. I like the spray, the spritzer on it. It definitely doesn't have a scent or anything. I think it's literally just water that you're spraying your face on. So if you're super warm or whatever, you can spray this on your face and it will help, I guess. So let's see what the ingredients are. Ingredients are spring water. So yeah, there's Avani thermal spring water and nitrogen. So that's pretty cool. That's literally just water in a can for $14. That's pretty interesting. Never really heard of trying stuff like that before. I have like a couple like sprays that you can spray on your face for that are scented and like for makeup like setting purposes, but I've never gotten just like a can of water to spray on my face. I think that's really interesting. So that retails for $14. I definitely wouldn't have bought that myself had it not been in a subscription box, so that's really interesting. This is one of the items that I actually picked myself. So this is a wrinkle treatment by the brand Revive. So it's a light therapy light. So Revive Light Therapy Glow, Wrinkle, and Anti-Aging Light Device. Stimulate collagen and elastin with this multi-wave light device, and this retails for $68. So I'm definitely gonna have to do a review on this. So it comes with batteries just on the back, and I have no idea how this works. So it says, wash and dry area prior to use, insert the batteries, turn on device, press and hold the on and off button for 1 second, place device directly on skin over the desired treatment area for 3 minutes, do not move or wave device across the treatment area. The device will auto shut off after the completion of 3-minute treatment. Move the device to the next treatment area and repeat step 4. Use this device daily for best results. Do not exceed 3 treatments per day per treatment area. So it's an anti-wrinkle treatment device, and it has on here the 3 different lights. So it says infrared, invisible to the naked eye. IR light penetrates deeper than any other color in the spectrum. IR light combats the signs of aging by stimulating the natural production of collagen and elastin. The red light reaches deep layers of the skin where it stimulates cellular repair and increased circulation to promote a more vibrant and youthful complexion. The amber light brings vitality to dull and lifeless complexions. Amber light reduces the appearance of redness, swelling, and inflammation. The color of the light is beneficial for rosacea, and that's pretty cool. I'm really excited. This retails for $68, and I have never used anything like that before, so I am interested to see if it works. So the next thing that I see is this 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection. Oh my god, so we got more masks, guys. You guys know how much I freaking love masks. Yes. Let's open this up. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It has all of the masks here, and it comes with a little brush, and I'm very excited. So it comes with purifying mask and Ready Glow exfoliating masks. So that's really cool. I'm really excited to try these out. So this is a 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection. Use this brown sugar mask for a radiant complexion of the golden root mask or the golden root mask to deeply cleanse the skin, and this retails for $45. So that's really cool. I'm really excited to try those ones out with you guys and see if we like them and see if I like them and see if I notice anything with my skin, because you guys know that I love masks just in general. I have like a million. So the next thing that I see is the Rapid Collagen Infusion. So this is from the brand Murad. So this is formulated with collagen amino acids. This treatment visibly minimizes the look of lines and wrinkles, and it retails for $78. So it is another wrinkle kind of treatment, and I'm really, really excited to try this out. For $78, I really hope it does something. This one you can use in the morning and the evening, and I'm very, very excited to try this out because that is super cool, and I love anti-aging items in general because I don't want to age. So that's awesome. So the next thing that I see is something that is really cute. So these are silicone straws. So you get 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a plastic case. And that is so amazing because obviously they want people to stop using plastic, and these are so adorable. Oh my god. So they are silicone straws, so they're not going to deteriorate inside your drink, and they are super, super colorful, and it comes with a brush cleaner. This set includes 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a carrying case, so you can sip your drinks on the go, and it retails for $15. So this is the carrying case, and you can just like attach it onto your keyring, and your straws will be inside it. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. And I am so excited to use these. I love this green one. As you guys know, I love green, but that is super cute. I'm very, very excited. And it was only $14 or $15, so that's really cute. So I see, what is this? I don't know what this is. Stone Cold Fox tea towels. Oh, so we got some tea towels. That's really cool. Stone Cold Fox tea towels. These chick towels feature a white and blue strip design and are both absorbent and durable, and they retail for $38. So that's pretty good. So they are just like classic tea towels. I think these are really cute and really adorable. They feel really soft, and I'm very excited to use them because all of my tea towels are dirty or old and whatnot. And that was everything that was in my FabFitFun box as well, I think. Let's make sure. Yeah, so I am very, very impressed with this month's box. We got some really cool items. We got those straws, are so adorable. The way that they package and care for these boxes is just so amazing. I think FabFitFun does one of the best subscription boxes that you can get. Although they are only every 3 months, they're a seasonal subscription box, I do think they are definitely worth it. So if you are on the market to get a subscription box, I highly recommend FabFitFun. I'm gonna quickly go find my phone and tally up this box, and we can see what the total is. The total of this month's box was $322, and that is absolutely amazing because I think I only pay like $60 or $70 per each season. So we're getting a value of $322. That is insane. I really love FabFitFun. I am so impressed with this season's box. I think the straws are my absolute favorite. I'm so excited. I'm really excited to try out this anti-aging device, and I still can't believe I got this after literally just raving to my friend about it like not even 2 hours ago. So I think that's really funny. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!